Morning, children.
No.
Okay. Did you try that type of questions that we discussed in the previous class? In previous class, we discussed about symmetric and skew symmetric and expressing the given matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Did you try? Did you go through such question? I asked you to try 3 by 3 matrix. How many of you tried that type of questions? Expressing a 3 by 3 matrix. Gauri? No. What about Dia? Who else tried? Raise your hands. Punya, okay. Then, Atul, tried that question? No. What about Aditya?
No, ma'am.
See, children, we completed the first chapter. Okay, first chapter we completed. Okay, second last week we got the syllabus for the year 21-22. According to the syllabus, first chapter, not real numbers. First chapter for you is relations and functions. That one we have completed. But in second chapter, actually we followed the last year's syllabus. So few more additions are there. So after completing this matrices chapter, once again we will move on to the second chapter and we have to complete. Okay, because there is no deleted topics and all is there for you for the okay. So the full portions are there. First chapter at present binary operations is not there. You can go through the syllabus. Okay, in the CBSE website you can go through the syllabus. Binary operations this year also it is not there. So up previous to that and all we have completed. As I know, up to inverse composition of functions and all we completed. So that is first chapter is completed. Now second chapter, few more we have to learn. Properties we have not yet learned. Only the finding the which one? Principal values and domain only we have learned. Properties we did not learn. Properties is also included this year. So we have to learn that one. That one we will do after completing this third chapter. Okay. So in that third chapter, I think one more concept only is there for learn. Okay. That one we will start today. We'll be starting that one today. Now let's do one more question using expressing the given matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Write the question. Express the matrix. Express the matrix 3, 2, 3. Express the matrix 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5 as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. As a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Express this as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Go through the previous question what you have done. Check it. If the matrix A is given, what we will do? First step is we will be defining a matrix P, isn't it? How will you define P? Yes, how will you define P? P is equal
Half of
to
A plus A transpose.
half of A plus A transpose. Half of A plus A transpose. So find out what is A transpose. A is given. Find out A transpose. What is A transpose? This is the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows into columns. Find out A transpose. A transpose is 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 3, 5. Is it clear, children? Is the board is it clear? Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now you define P. What is P? Which is half of A plus A transpose. So I'm writing the matrix A. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. Plus, yes, yes, children.
A transpose.
A,
What you wrote.
uh, A transpose. Can you repeat? Yes.
And write that A transpose and say that.
Yeah.
It must be 3 or 2, 3.
3 and 4.
3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 3. A transpose. A transpose is okay. I'll write it once again. Cheers. 3, 2, 3. Then second row will become second column. 4, 5, 3. 2, 4, 5. Now is it okay, Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3, 2, 3. 4, 5, 3. 2, 4, 5. This is A transpose. So which is same as half of. Now add these two. Some row with column. Sorry, not multiplication, addition, isn't it? Addition means corresponding entries to be added. When you add this, half of 6, 6, 6, 6, 10, 7, 5, 7, 10, isn't it? And if you divide it by 2, half of, so you'll get 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 7 by 2. Yes, Achut?
6, 6, 5. Right?
Which one?
At the top, 6, 6, 5.
6, 6. Okay. Yes, yes. 5. So we'll get 5 by 2. Then 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 5. 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 5. So this is P. This is matrix P. Okay. After finding P, what do you have to do? You have to check whether P is symmetric, isn't it? So find P transpose. Find out P transpose. What is P transpose? Is it symmetric? Check it. This P transpose. P transpose is 3, 3, 5 by 2, 3, 5, 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 5. Is it same as P? Is it correct, Michael? If P transpose is equal to P. Yes, tell me, Michael, what we can say about P? Michael is there? Michael? Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
If P transpose is equal to P, then what can you say about the matrix P?
Then it's a symmetric matrix.
P is symmetric matrix. Therefore, P is symmetric. P is symmetric matrix. Now, next step. What is the next step, Emmanuel? What is the next step, Emmanuel? After defining P.
Check it is Q matrix.
Yes, repeat it.
Check it is Q matrix.
Which one is Q? Now we have checked P is symmetric. Next step after this, after checking P is symmetric, what is the next step? Yes, Alvin. Alvin, what is the next step?
Into A minus A transpose. Half into A minus A transpose.
We have to define the next matrix Q. Okay. Emmanuel, listen to it. Okay. Next step, we are defining the matrix Q. What is Q? Half of A minus A transpose. Half of A minus A transpose. So that is half of A. A is the given matrix. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5 minus A transpose. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. Find out and tell me what is Q. Aditya, is it correct, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Now find out Q. So what is Q? Q is half of. Half of. When you subtract it, can you subtract and give, Aditya?
Ma'am, 0,
0,
minus 2,
minus 2,
1,
1,
2,
2,
0,
0,
minus 1,
minus 1,
minus 1,
minus 1,
1,
1,
0.
0. So it will be same as 0. When you divide this by 2, when you take this half inside, you'll get 0, minus 1, 1 by 2. 1, 0, minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Okay. Now take Q transpose. Now find Q transpose. Find out Q transpose. When you take Q transpose, we will get 0, minus 1, 1 by 2, 1, 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Is it same as negative Q? Check it. Is it same as negative Q? When you multiply this Q matrix by minus, will you be getting Q transpose?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Rijas, if Q transpose is equal to minus Q, if Q transpose is equal to minus Q, then Q is said to be
symmetric.
Q symmetric matrix. Okay, Q symmetric matrix. Therefore, Q is Q symmetric. Q is Q symmetric. So, Nandana, what is the next step, Nandana? After defining P and Q,
Adding them.
we have to add P and Q, isn't it? Find P plus Q. Find out P plus Q. P plus Q. So the Q matrix is here. P. Can you give P? Nandana, give
3,
3.
5 by 2.
Hmm.
3, 5, 7 by 2.
Okay.
5 by 2, 7 by 2, 5.
5 by 2, 7 by 2, 1.
5.
5. Okay, thank you. Now define Q. Q is here. Okay, I'm writing Q matrix. Q 1, 1 by 2. Q1 minus 1 by 2. Sorry, this is Q, isn't it? So it is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. 1, 0, minus half. Minus half, half, 0. Is it Q correct? Michael, tell me the matrix Q. Check, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now find out P plus Q. P plus Q. 3 plus 0, just 3, isn't it? 3 minus 1, 2. 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2, we will get 3. 3 plus 1, 4. This is 5. 6 by 2, which is again 3. 4 by 2 is 2. 4, 5. Is it same as A? Are you getting A? When you add P plus Q, whether we are getting the matrix A. Ashwin? Ashwin, are you able to follow?
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, therefore, finally, how you have to conclude? Therefore, the given matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Isn't it? Like that, you have to conclude it. Therefore, the given matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Is expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Write the next one. Write the next question. So check this whether we have tried this question. Okay, I'm not remembering whether we tried it or not. Find the values of x, y, z if A is equal to 1 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, satisfy the condition A transpose A is equal to I. Based on transpose, whether we did any question? Do we did any question, Gauri? Based on transpose. Find x, y, and z in transpose.
No, ma'am.
No, okay. Write this question. Find the value of x, y, and z. Find the value of x, y, and z if the matrix, find the value of x, y, and z if the matrix capital A is equal to 0, 2y, z, x, y, minus z, x, minus y, z, satisfy the equation A transpose into A is equal to I. Satisfy the equation A transpose A is equal to I. Satisfy the equation A transpose A is equal to I. Satisfies the equation A transpose A is equal to I. Okay, so A is given. Find out what is A transpose. A transpose means this rows will be, okay, row will become column. First row will become first column. Second row will be the second column. Third row will become the third column. Then find out what is A transpose into A. Find out what is A transpose into A. A is given. Find A transpose. Then find out what is A transpose into A. Okay, look at the order. Order is A transpose. First we should write A transpose into A. Is equal to I, isn't it? I means identity matrix. When you equate it 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Nia, can you multiply and give the answer? Nia. Atul, Sania, Alvin. What is A into A or A transpose? And you multiply this row with column. So when you multiply this, what you will get? 0 plus x square plus x square. So you're getting 2x square. Achyut, can you multiply and give the answer, Achyut?
Yes, ma'am. Correct. 2x is
Hmm.
0,
0,
0.
0. Hmm. What about the second row? Sri Hari.
2y square, 6y square, and 0.
2y square, 6y square. Repeat it, Sri Hari.
0.
0. Third row. Atul.
0, 0, 3 z square.
3z square. Is it correct? Yes. Is it like this you are getting, Alvin? I think then some the second row is different. Then give what is the answers, Achud?
I got 6.
Second row, Gayatri, what about the second row?
0, 6y square and 0.
0, 6y square, 0. Others, check your answers. Is it correct? Check it. Row with column. Second row, isn't it? With first column. It is 0. You should get 0. Otherwise, listen, children. Okay, once you write itself, you can check your problem. Okay, when you do it, you can step. Simultaneously, you can check. If these two matrices are equal, if this is 0, here also it is 0. Here it is 0, 0. So if it is 0, if it is 2y square, we will get y as 0. And here, suppose this is, I'm not writing 0. Suppose it is 2y square. Then we will get 2y square is 0 and 6y square is equal to 1. You will get two different values. Is or no? From the first one, you will get y is 0. In the second one, you will get y is square is 1 by 6. So y is plus or minus root of 1 by 6, which is not possible. So then some mistake is there. Is it clear? Punya, are you able to understand? You can check it. Once you solve it, you can check your answer. Is it correct or not? So now this one will be true because only one value, one set of values only will get. So equate it. Two matrices are equal. Corresponding entries are equal. So x square is 1 by 2. So x is plus or minus 1 by root 2. Same way, 6y square is equal to 1. Y square is 1 by 6. Therefore, y is plus or minus 1 by root 6. 3z square is equal to 1. Z square is 1 by 3. Z is plus or minus 1 by root 3. Are you getting this answer, Gayatri? Yes, okay. Okay, now take your textbook. All of you take the textbook. Check the pencil. Get ready to note the homework questions. Note down exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. Okay, similar questions and all we have done. Okay, so do it once again. Revise it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. In which fifth one is very important. Mark it important. Fifth one is important. A, B, the whole dash is B dash, A dash. That is, fifth one is very important. All the questions we have. Okay, sixth one now we are going to do it now. Again, sixth one is very important. Sixth one now we are going to solve, and it is mark it as important. Now, then 10th one. Then do the 10th one as homework. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 as homework question. Okay. Now let's do the sixth question. Write the sixth one. Sixth one, two subdivisions are there. Look at the first subdivision. If A is equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Verify that A dash A is equal to 1. Is not 1, it is I, isn't it? What is 1 by I? I is the identity matrix, isn't it? So start doing. A is equal to, the problem question is given as A is equal to matrix cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. We have to prove A transpose into A is equal to I. A transpose into A. So write down what is A transpose into A. What is under A transpose? This row will become column. So cos alpha, sin alpha. Second row will become the second column, minus sin alpha, cos alpha into A. Is cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Multiply and find out. Rijas, Srihari, Nia. Why? Why you are doing like this? Once I start sharing the screen, you'll switch off your video. Why? Then I'll not be sharing the screen. Full time I'll keep like this. Okay. Huh? Multiply the matrix and check it. You'll be using trigonometric identities there. Michael is present. Michael. Yes. Yes, Michael. Ashwin. Ashwin. You multiply this. We will get. Are you getting the identity? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Is it correct, Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the second entry? First row, second column. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, Sania, give me the next row entries. Second row.
Sin alpha cos alpha minus alpha cos alpha.
Cos beta.
Cos alpha
Cos alpha.
sin
Okay.
alpha.
Okay. The next one.
Sin alpha plus cos alpha.
Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So this one will become sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this two will get cancelled 0. 0, 1, which is I, identity matrix. Whether we have proved the first part?
Yes.
Same way, try the second one, Roman letter 1, 2. Sixth one, Roman letter 2. Do the next one, Roman letter 2. Finished, Srihari? Second part, second one, is it over? Doing, okay. Michael, are you able to do it? Michael? Any doubts? Emmanuel, any doubts?
Doing now.
Okay. If you have doubt, okay, don't hesitate. Ask it now itself. Clear your doubts now itself. Okay. How many of you have completed the second part? Those who are not completed, raise your hands. Not completed. Roman letter 2. You all completed, finished? Aditya, Gauri, Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Rijas, is it over? Okay. Now take the textbook, open your textbook, go through miscellaneous exercise. Okay. The next topic we will be discussing tomorrow because it is a one thing I want to say, children. The next topic is the next class we will be discussing row and column operations. Okay. Do the questions and come. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.